Earlier, we have seen how to solve item number 1. Now, let us try to solve number 4, which is x over x minus 1 equal to 2 over x plus 1. Recall that our steps in solving this are as follows. Expand this original equation, in this case, a rational algebraic equation. Pangalawa, simplify into a quadratic equation. Pangatlo, solve the resulting quadratic equation. And finally, check for extraneous roots. Note that we have the following techniques in expanding. At ang applicable, since this is a rational algebraic equation, will multiply by the LCM. So, what is the LCM for this one? Note that the LCM is just the product of the denominators present in the rational algebraic expression or equation rather. So this will be x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. Multiply this on both sides of the equation and we'll have, let me copy, x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x over x minus 1 equals, copy that again, x minus 1 times x plus 1 multiplied by 2 over x plus 1. Of course, we can cancel one from the numerator and another from the denominator. Sa left side, we can cancel x minus 1 na numerator and x minus 1 sa denominator. Note na numerators itong dalawang to ha, kasi we have an invisible over 1 dyan. The same as in here. And at the right side, we have x plus 1 sa denominator, which cancels with x plus 1 sa taas. So these are all 1. Now, the remaining equation is just x plus 1 times x sa left equals x minus 1 times 2 sa right. This shall give us the resulting equation. X times x gives us x squared plus 1x, or just remove 1, retain x. And then at this point, or at this part, we have x times 2, or 2x, negative 1 times 2, or minus 2. And finally, we can obtain the quadratic equation in standard form by complying or combining the similar terms. We have here x squared. This 2x goes at the left, giving us negative 2x. So, plus x minus 2x gives us negative x. And negative 2 here, pag pumunta sa left, gives us positive 2. And finally, 0 na lang sa kanan. Now, this is our resulting quadratic equation. Para sa step 3, we are to solve this quadratic equation. How do we do that? Again, there are 4 methods to choose from. Ano nga bang applicable para sa example na ito? We can use the quadratic formula.